Hi, my name is Ziad. I'm a TA at the Thayer School Machine Shop, and I'm going to introduce the procedures for the cleaning and for the daily cleaning and maintenance procedures of the mill working area. The purpose of the machine shop cleanup and maintenance activities is to keep all parts of the machine shop clean, organized, presentable, and accessible at all times. TAs are to perform a thorough and detailed cleaning at the times assigned on the TA's daily schedule. Workstation upkeep is expected throughout the rest of the shift if you are assigned to the mill. There are 6 mills that require maintenance in total. 2 or 3 TAs will be assigned to clean and maintain the mills at any one time. This grouping will help distribute the workload and allow TAs to spend more time cleaning each mill. Working in groups provides a chance for inexperienced TAs to learn cleaning and maintenance practices from more experienced ones. In addition, working in groups creates camaraderie, which makes the work go faster. The list of cleaning and maintenance activities is posted on the side of each bed mill. TAs are to perform the tasks in the order they appear in, starting with cleaning activities and then proceed to tool maintenance. The cleaning activities start with removing any leftover stock material and returning them to the stock area. Leftover stock material in the mill area include wood, plastics, and metals, namely aluminum, steel, brass, copper, and other metals. All useful stock should be returned to the stock bins in the stock area and should be separated according to the type of the metal, as well as rectangular or round stock. Machine stock that can no longer be used should be put in the recycling containers, located in the bottom shelf of the long stock shelving. Remove all tools left inside mill or on top of the mill cabinet. If the tool belongs to the mill cabinet, return the tool to the correct position. Remove tools from spindle and place in the proper storage location. For example, the drill should be returned to the correct slot. The tools should be cleaned before storage. Be careful not to cut yourself when you're cleaning the drill. They are pretty sharp. Our next task is to clean the chips in the mill area. Remove the chip deposits inside the bed of the mill using a dustbin and a brush. Deposit the chips into the chip bin. Use the compressed air to clean up the chips as needed. Carry the chip bins to the chip disposal container. The chip disposal container is located behind the elevator in the loading dock. Clean dirty surfaces on mill using paper towel and simple green. Clean up water spills or coolant leaks using cleanup equipment located in the custodial closet. Next, we are going to introduce the process of daily tool maintenance. Check to see whether there is enough coolant. Make sure that all mill workstation tools are properly placed in their designated drawer or rack for storage. If any tool is missing, find and return it to the correct place. Perform maintenance on all tools and drawers. For example, replace dead batteries on digital calipers and recalibrate micrometers as needed. We are done with the introduction to the cleaning and maintenance tutorials for the milling machine. If you're confused or have any questions, please ask one of the experienced TAs, and they will be happy to help you.